Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you Sweet Betsy from Pike. It's from our new book, 21 Easy Ukulele Folk Songs. Please listen to the end because the song has funny lyrics, and I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Sweet Betsy from Pike uses 5 chords in each key, but since I'm doing it in 2 keys, that ends up being 10 chords. Anyway, the first chord in the key of G, because that's the first key I sing it in, is a G. We have G, and we have D7. I use the easy D7. We have C. We have A7. We have E minor. And we have B minor, which is a little tricky. You bar across like this, and then you put your ring finger here. But if you can't get that ring, which I couldn't for a lot of years, you can just bar and play the 3 strings. Then I do what's called a turnaround to switch into the C major version, and I do a D minor, a G7, and a C. And then in the key of C, I have C, G7, F. I will also have an A minor. So that's all the chords I use. I also, for the strumming pattern, use a down, down, up, down with each measure. I think sometimes they change it up a little bit just to make it more interesting, but basically the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down. There will also be a couple verses of the melody, and the tab will be underneath, and then next to me there will be an animation of the ukulele fretboard, so you can see what notes I'm playing. Enjoy! Now don't you remember sweet Betsy from Pike, who crossed the big mountains with her lover Ike, with 2 yoke of oxen and a big yellow dog, a tall Shanghai rooster and 1 spotted hog. One evening quite early they camped on the flat, down by the road on a green shady flat, where Betsy got tired and lay down to repose, and Ike just gazed on his pike country rose. Well, they soon reached the desert where Betsy gave out. Down in the sand she lay rolling about. Well, Ike in great tears looked on in surprise. He said, "Betsy, get up, you'll get sand in your eyes." Well, the Shanghai ran off and the cattle all died. The last piece of bacon that morning was fried. Ike got discouraged and Betsy got mad. The dog wagged his tail and looked wonderfully sad. Well, a miner said, "Betsy, will you dance with me? I will, old house, if you don't make 2 free. But don't dance me hard, and do you wanna know why? Doggone you, I'm choked full of strong alkali." Ike and sweet Betsy got married, of course, but Ike getting jealous obtained the divorce. Betsy was satisfied, said with a shout, "Goodbye, you big lummox, I'm glad you backed out." Enjoy! If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.